Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome back to Shanghai College of Science. This video is from Mathematics Department, and I am your Mathematics lecturer, Jagadish. Okay, you guys already know we started your BSc 5.2 Laplace transformation classes. In last class, we discussed about your property number 3, that is multiplication into t to the power n. That is the part of your properties of Laplace transformation. Okay, in also we solved some problems on related to that property. So today I'm going to do same that some problems on your multiplication property. Okay. Okay. Your multiplication property is, so you guys know, that is Laplace transformation of t to the power n into f of t is equals to minus 1 to the power n into d to the power n divided by ds to the power n, that is f of s. So instead of writing f of s, we will write Laplace transformation of f of t. Okay, this one or this one. This is your definition of, sorry, this is your statement of multiplication of t to the power n. Okay, so we will solve some problems to related this property. Problem, that is find the Laplace transformation of t into cos 3t into sin 2t. Okay, uh, here t to the power 1 is there, that is our n value is 1. Okay, first we will write the given equation, that is t into cos 3t into sin 2t. Okay, so when we apply the Laplace transformation to this function, Laplace transformation of t into cos 3t into sin 2t. Okay, you guys know already that is this our multiplication property definition. That is Laplace transformation of t to the power n f of t is equals to minus 1 to the power n into d to the power n divided by ds to the power n into Laplace transformation of your function. Okay, here we will substitute your given equation to in this formula. N value is 1, so that's why minus 1 to the power a1 and d to the power 1 divided by ds to the power 1 into Laplace transformation of your remaining function, that is cos 3t into sin 2t. Okay, you guys already know that is uh, cos a and sin b formula is there, that is 1 by 2 into sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay, this is your formula. You guys already solved this problem. Okay, so we substitute to here. This is minus 1 to the power 1 is minus only, that means because we will write here minus d by ds into 1 by 2 is your constant term, it's outside, and sin a plus b of minus sin a minus b. So here we will write sin of 3t plus 2t. Okay, 3t plus 2t and 3t minus 2t here. Okay, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. This is your minus d by ds into 1 by 2 is constant value, then the Laplace transformation of sin a plus b, that is 3 plus 2t minus sin a minus b, that is 3t minus 2t. This becomes 5t and this becomes only t. It is 1 by 2 is constant value, so minus 1 by 2 I will write outside and differentiate with s with respect to s. Laplace transformation of sin 5t minus sin t. Okay, we will solve this one is by linearity property. Okay, linearity property, that is Laplace transformation of first term minus Laplace transformation of second term. Here the Laplace transformation of sin phi t is your first term, and you guys know that is sin of at formula, that is a divided by a square plus a square. Okay, so here a value is 5 5 divided by s square plus phi square. Okay, so this function I will write here, and your other function is there. It is just sine t. It is Laplace transformation of second function. Sine t. This is equals to a divided by s square plus a square. So a value is 1. That is 1 divided by s square plus 1 square. Okay, I will write this function here. Okay, when we simplify this function, we will get 5 divided by s square plus 25 minus 1 divided by s square plus 1. Okay. Okay, here this is 1 by 2 as constant value as it is. 5 divided by s square plus 25 minus 1 divided by s square plus 1. Okay. Uh, so here differentiate with respect to s. This becomes u by v formula. U by v into u by v minus u by v. There are two terms. U by v, u by v. We differentiate with. Okay, wait. Okay, we will differentiate it directly. It is your u by v formula is differentiate of u by v formula is that is v into differentiate of v, sorry, differentiate of u minus u as it is differentiate of v divided by v square. Okay, this is your u by v formula. So according to this formula, we solve these two terms. It is u value is 5 and v value is s square plus 25 here. Okay, so here we will solution that. Okay, here we solve. Sorry, this is not u by v formula. It becomes your 1 divided by x square plus a formula. Okay, 1 divided by x square plus 1 formula is there. It becomes your 1 plus x square plus a, x square plus a to the power 1. This become, we will write x square minus 1, x square plus a to the power minus 1. This function we will write minus 1 into x square plus a to the power minus 1, minus 1 into differentiate of x square is 2x to the power 2x to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, so here your value is 1 minus 1 into x square plus a to the power minus 2 into 2x. Okay, so this function we will write minus 1 into 1 divided by x square plus a whole square. This is minus 2, it becomes positive, that is in denominator it goes into 2x. Okay, this with respect to x is there. So in our formula we have with respect to s, that means here 5 divided by s square plus 25 is there. So here 5 is constant value, we will write as outside, and this function we will write s square plus 25. When we differentiate this function, we will get 5 into s square plus 25 whole to the power minus 1. Okay, 5 into that as it is. So minus 1 into s square plus 25 to the power minus 1 to minus 1, and differentiate of s square is 2s to the power 2 minus 1. When we simplify this function, we will get s minus 1 into s square plus 25 to the power minus 2 into 2s. Okay, this function we will write as minus 1 into s square plus 25 whole square into 2s. Okay, 2s. This function we will write here. That is 5 is constant term, and this it becomes minus 1, and this is 2s. Okay, divided by s square plus 25 as it is. And this term also, it is 1 divided by s square plus 1 is there. So it becomes s square plus 1 to the power minus 1. So when we differentiate this function, minus 1, s square plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and differentiate of s square is 2s to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, this function we will write as minus 1 into 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole square into 2s. Okay, so this function we will write here same as 1 is your constant term, I will write as it is. So this one is minus 1 is here, and 2s is here. In denominator, s square plus 1 to the power whole square is as it is. Okay. So next we will go, when we simplify this function, we will get minus 5 into minus 1 into 2s, it becomes minus 10s plus minus into minus plus 2s into 1 is minus, sorry, 2s is as it is, divided by denominator s square plus 25 whole square and plus s square plus 1 whole square is as it is. Okay. Okay. Now when we simplify this function, we will get 2 1 z, 2 5 z, 2 1 z. So this becomes your 5s divided by s square plus 25 whole square plus s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Okay. Then the resultant answer is, it is Laplace transformation of t into cos 3t into sin 2t is equals to 5s divided by s square plus 25 plus s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Okay. Okay, we will go for next problem. This is important one. It is find the Laplace transformation of t square e to the power minus 3t into sin 2t. There are three functions in this equation. Okay, you have to solve carefully. First, we will write your given equation. What is given equation? That is t square e to the power minus 3t into sin 2t. Okay, and you guys already know this is your uh, given equation. This equation we can write it is as Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into t square into sin 2t. Okay. Uh, and this function you guys already know, e to the power minus 80. For e to the power 80 is s tends to s minus a, and here s tends to s minus of minus 3 is there. So it becomes s tends to s plus 3. This function we can also write as L into, that is Laplace transformation of to t square into sin 2t. And this function we will write as s tends to s minus of minus 3 by your property number 2. Okay. So we call this function as first equation because we want to this function as last. Okay. First we will solve this one. So what we will get in resultant answer, on that we will substitute your yes value. Okay. That's why we call this as equation number 1. So let's solve this one. Laplace transformation of t square into sin 2t. Okay. T square into sin 2t. Here the n value is 2. So wherever the n function is there, on that we will substitute 2, that is minus 1 to the power 2 d to the power 2 divided by ds to the power 2 into Laplace transformation of sin 2t. Okay. So sin 2t value you know already, sin 80 value, that is a divided by s square plus a square, and this function 2 divided by s square plus 2 square. Okay, this function I write here. So minus 1 to the power whole square becomes plus 1. So I will neglect this function. So d square divided by ds square into Laplace transformation of sin 2t. This is your 2 divided by s square plus 2 square. Okay, and here 2 is constant value, you write outside. Here 2 into d divided by ds. There are here you have to do double differentiation here. So that's why you will write separately. So differentiate with first term and differentiate with second term, second time. So this function we will write as 1 divided by s square plus 4. Okay. So here, first we'll differentiate this one. This function becomes your 1 divided by s square plus 4. So this function we will write as s square plus 4 to the power minus 1. So this differentiate with this function. So we will get minus 1 into s square plus 4 minus 1 into differentiate of s square is 2s to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, this function we will write as minus 1 into s square plus 4 whole to the power minus 2 into 2s. So finally we will write minus 1 into 1 divided by s square plus 4 whole square into 2s. Okay. This is your answer, that is minus 1 into 1 is okay into 2s divided by s square plus 4 whole square. Okay, this is your differentiate. So we will, when we simplify this function, we will write minus 2s divided by s square plus 4 whole square into your this is a second integration. Sorry, second differentiation. Differentiation of 2 into d by ds. Okay. So here your next step, that is 2 into second differentiation d by ds into minus 2s divided by s square plus 4 whole square. Okay. Again we will separate your constant term, that becomes minus 4s and differentiate of d by ds into s divided by s square plus 4 whole square. Okay. Here you will get u by v formula, because with respect to s is there, so u by v formula is v function as it is differentiate of u minus u as it is differentiate of v divided by v square. Okay. So here your u value is s and v value is s square plus 4 whole square is there. Okay. So this function we will write as first v as it is, that is s square plus 4 whole square as it is. Differentiate of u is s, that is differentiate of s is 1 minus u as it is and differentiate of v. Okay, differentiate of v is 2 into s square plus 4 to the power 2 minus 1 into differentiate of s square is 2s 2 minus 1. Okay, 2s to the power 2s minus 1 whole divided by your v square is s square plus 4 whole square is already there, so into to the power also to the power square is once more. Okay, I will write this one once more. U by V formula, V into U dash minus U into V dash divided by V square. V is S square plus 4 whole square. U dash is 1 minus U is S. V dash is 2 into S square plus 4 to the power 2 minus 1. Differentiate of S square is 2s to the power 2 minus 1 divided by S square plus 4 whole square to the power whole square. Okay, so this function we will write here as when we simplify this function, we will get okay, wait. Here we have your v, this is u dash minus u, this is v dash. Okay, divided by v square is there. Here you will get s square plus 4 and s square plus 4 is already here. So we will take one common as outside here. Okay, it is s square plus 4 outside and remaining s square plus 4 is one term into your 4s square minus 4s square is there. In denominator you will get s square plus 4 whole to the power 4. Okay. Okay. Here we will take one s square plus 4 term is outside. So s square plus 1 to the power 4 is there. So one term remains as it is, that is s square plus 4. And in this function we will get minus 4s square and this term will get outside. So here s square plus 4 one term and s square one term will get cancelled. So we will get here minus 4 into here 4s square plus s square is there. So plus 4 minus 3s square divided by s square plus 4 whole cube will get. Okay, when we simplify this function, we will get minus a common outside. So it becomes plus 4. So 3s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole cube. Okay, here you will get, that is Laplace transformation of t square into sin 2t is equals to 4 into 3s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole cube. Okay. And you have equation 1, that is your Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t t square sin 2t. So this function we will write as Laplace transformation of e to the power minus 3t into t square sin 2t. So this function we will write as Laplace transformation of t square into sine 2t, where s tends to s minus of minus 3. Okay, you have this function in your we call this function as your first equation. Okay, we will get this answer. So into this answer we substitute your s value, that is s tends to s plus 3. Okay, that means wherever you have s, that we have to substitute s plus 3. Okay, so here here is your answer, that is 4 into 3s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole cube is there, where s tends to s plus 3. Here we will simplify this function, that is 4 into here 4 into 3 into s plus 3 whole square, okay, minus 4 as it is, divided by s square means your s plus 3 whole square plus 4 whole cube. Okay, this function you will write here only. Okay, when we simplify this function, we will get here, this is your 4 into 3 into a plus b whole square, that is s square plus 9 plus 6s minus 4, okay, divided by same s square plus 9 plus 6s plus 4 whole cube. Okay, so this function I write here, and we simplify this function, 4 into this is 3s square and this is plus 27 and this is 3 into 6 plus 18s minus 4 divided by your s square plus 9 plus wait 6s plus 9 plus 4 is 13 whole to the power cube. Okay, in this term we will get 4 as it is, okay, and this 3a square as it is, here plus 18s, and here 27 minus 4 is, so it becomes plus 23 divided by s square plus 6s plus 13 whole cube as it is. Okay, here is your answer is there. Here your final answer is that, that is 4 into 3s square plus 18s plus 23 divided by s square plus 6s plus 13 whole cube. Okay. Okay, your final resultant answer is, okay, your total final resultant answer is, that is Laplace transformation of t square minus 3t into sine 2t is equals to 4 into 3s square plus 18s plus 23 divided by s square plus 6s plus 13 whole cube. Okay, this is your final answer.